Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You guys check this out.
We're trying to give hope, and to start akara business doesn't take a lot of money. To start roasting corn, or somebody even said about grant. You see, they're saying that cooling kuli doesn't take much. We didn't give them a loan, we gave it to them as a grant. So we've encouraged Nigerians as best as we could. What is within our hands, I have given. You know.
Well, those that get it, they get it. So one thing about me is that I like to commonize my knowledge so well. Like something that I know and I know that maybe another person they don't know it and I can share. I'll be like, it's just simple. I mean, let me waste my time in explaining this thing. Is it not just why would they not know it? They're supposed to know it. So I'm just somebody like that. I just like to commonize things very well. Even though that thing is supposed to be like a big deal, I'm supposed to be very happy that I'm sharing this. But I always commonize it and make it look like it's nothing. I'll make it look like because you see that tutorial I made. If you know you've not seen it, check it out. If you are into animation and you're looking for a free tool, you should really check out that tutorial. It's the last tutorial I made on Google Opal. So I know I was supposed to drop prompt for the video, but I did not because the video did not make up to 1k views. Maybe it's going to make later on and I'm still going to keep to my word. But before that, there are a whole lot of people that needs to be informed about this tool. Like I said on that tutorial, the tool is very compatible with Android. So if you want to use it on your system or your iPhone, it's not as if it's not going to open. It's going to open, but you're not going to get a good result. It's just going to keep rolling and rolling and rolling. And again, if somebody mentions a new tool that you've never heard, you're supposed to go and check it out. Check everything out about that tool and know if it's something else or if the tool can do other things. Because I did not mention that that tool is very good for AI automation, a whole lot of people, they are just going to be interested in the video generation part. But I want to show you a whole lot of things that tool can do. Same on your phone, but I'm going to do it on system. In fact, let me try and generate video on Opal on my system so that you will see that thing I was trying to explain to you guys. So let's just do it. So this is my interface, right? This is Opal. Here, this place that you see animation is where you can animate on your phone. So if you open this thing on your phone and you want to animate, just come here, click on this. You will see the editors part, you will see the app side. To recreate this, you just have to click on this 3 dots here, right? Then duplicate app. As soon as you duplicate app, you will see here it's working. You have duplicated this app already. Now you can come to this place and remix it, that is, edit it to your name, maybe Giver Tech tutorial app. So this one now is my own, right? See my app here. So if you want to start, you can start. But like I said, it's not let me show you why it's not compatible with system. Okay, let me try and animate a video. Skip. Let me upload this image. Let me upload. Let me try and animate because it's like I'm just talking too much. So this is my prompt that I want this image to do. You will see why I said it's not as if it's not going to generate, but it's not going to generate well. You cannot download it. The way it is very flexible on Android and everything is working perfectly. It's an APK file. It's not going to work well on system. So why this is generating, let me show you other things this app can do. Let me open it on another place. It has other stuff. For instance, this book rec. If you click on book rec, the app side of it, it will recommend books for you. So if you're a lover of book and you don't have idea on the kind of books that are in the market, maybe you love romance book, but you don't know the kind of romance book you want to, but you can come to Opal, describe the kind of thing that you're looking for, and it will find that stuff for you. Let's go back. For business, a glimpse into how the internet works. So if you want to customize this, you just need to click on this remix. So it has a whole lot of things that it can do for you. Fashion stylist, create a specific outfit for a specific occasion. Create a playlist. You love a specific kind of music, but you don't know the people that are, you don't know maybe any title of the songs or anything like that in the market. You can just come here, tell it the kind of music you like, and it will refer a whole lot of music for you. It can do a lot of things. Learning with YouTube. Let's say for instance you've watched a particular tutorial and you want to check out or quiz yourself if you're really now good with that particular thing that you're trying to learn. You can come to this place and it will generate quiz for you. You can see this other one, interior design, marketing maven. It can do a whole lot of things, so check it out. Check it out on your phone, right? So let's check on that video so that you will see it still generate. This is that thing that I was trying to explain to you guys. You saw when I made that video, the thing just generated once. Okay, now see, now it has generated. Let's see. So like I said, it's not as if it's not going to, but it's not compatible. I don't know, there are tools that are like that. Some people trying to play it safe, it's not playing. It's not playing. Let me see. It's not even downloading. See, it's just talk. It's just talk. Good morning. See, it's just talk. So there's some tools that are like that, right? Like I said, just make use of your Android phone. Make use of your Android phone. So another tool that I want to introduce to you guys, like I said, I don't want to be communizing my knowledge again, is Google Vids. Google Vids. Google Vids is one. Google Vids. VIDS. This tool is very, very sweet. Trust me. So that same thing that I uploaded on Google Opal, let's try and recreate it here. So this is how the interface looks like. It looks like your Google Drive, right? But it has VO, voiceover, image generation. You can generate image, you can do a whole lot of stuff here, and it does not have restriction. So if you want to animate an image, you just click here, right? When you click here, you click on this create from scratch, then animate an image. You can generate a video from text. Like you have a text, you want to create a video from the text, you can do that. Then you can animate an image. So let's animate an image. Let me do that same thing. This is it. So let me do that same thing here. Generate. So while this is generating, let me show you guys another one. Gwen AI. There are a whole lot of free tools out there. A whole lot, like a whole lot. A whole lot. You cannot even exhaust it. Trust me, you cannot. Hey God, I beg you. Grace Okunoka. There's Pixverse. Okay, I think I've done a tutorial on Pixverse. Okay, that one that you transform your head. You can also use it to animate video. It's just that some of these tools have restrictions. I won't lie. They have restrictions. But at least to do small thing for you. This one is still generating. So let's wait for this to upload. How are you guys? How are you guys doing? How are you coping? It's a lot. I have a lot to say, but I don't know how to say it. Let's just continue with our tutorial. So this is Gwen AI generating. So for Google Viz, this is Google Viz. They are generated.
Today is going to be a great day, and I am really excited about it.
Is this not sharp? It's very
Today
sharp.
is going to be a great day, and I am really excited about it.
So this is Google Viz. You can use it to, if you're into kiddies animation, it's perfect for kiddies animation. If you're into movie creation, it's perfect for it. So what you just need to do, you just insert it to this box, then generate the next thing. You know, it should just be piling up like that, piling up. I don't want my tutorial to be long. So do you get? You should let me cancel this one. Cancel. So if I want to upload, I'll add another image, then regenerate another one, and that's it. So you guys should check out these tools. AI is very sweet. Trust me, AI is very, very sweet. AI is so sweet. Maybe I might not even exhaust some of the things that tool can do. So you on your own, you have to do your own assignment. So the assignment on this one is that Opal Google, check it out on your system, and iPhone user, check it out too. If it works for you, come and let me know. Maybe it's my phone that have expired. You never can tell. This my scarf is always losing. So guys, as you have seen now, there's so many tools that you can use. Check them out, and as I always like to end my video, always pick the sense from the nonsense. And again guys, if you're like me that likes to commonize things or commonize knowledge, please stop. It's a bad habit. That thing that you know is so big. And to even say, I even have one motto that I used to say back then, that what you know, how do I used to say that thing? Let me remember. What you don't know is bigger than you, no matter how small that thing is. God, how did I even stop saying that thing? What you don't know is bigger than you, no matter how small it is. So don't compromise your knowledge. And to even say that I wrote a book, guys, and I poured my heart into that book. The title is Tech on the Mat, so you can check it out on Seller. It's out already. I poured, see, that book is packed, over 100 and something pages. Is packed. There is nothing in AI that you want to learn that you will not see in that book. Kiddies animation, YouTube animation, movie making, different angles of movie making, to knowing the right shots. So many. That book is packed, guys. Just check it out. Trust me, I'm not going to try and commonize this thing, but you will not regret it. It's going to worth every of your penny. That's just the truth. So just get it. In fact, thinking about the book, say Tech on the Mat, what comes to your mind when you hear about Tech on the Mat? It means tech simplified. You know, back then, now when we were growing up, they used to give us food. You know, sometimes we come outside, you know, in the evening. I grew up in the most ruralest of area. So that's why they'll give us food like this. All the children will sit down on the floor, eat, you know, play. Whenever they spread mat like this, you just know that is to play. So imagine me bringing down tech to the mat. It means, come, let's play. Let's have fun. with AI. Let's have fun doing tech. Let's do this thing happily. It's not a big deal. So check that book out, guys. You will not regret it. So guys, see you on another tutorial video. Ciao ciao.